Welcome to our quick guide on how to use the essay checker at writingchecker.org. Let's get started. Once the homepage loads, look at the top menu and find the essay checker option. Access the essay checker directly if logged in, or encounter the login sign-up interface otherwise. On the screen, you'll see options to select your essay's type. Choose Academic or General for the module, and then pick Task 1 or Task 2, depending on your essay's requirement. You'll also see a field labeled Title, where you should enter the title of your essay, and a field labeled Essay, where you should paste or type your essay. Let's illustrate an example from a Cambridge book, which is the main resource for the IELTS exam. As you can see, this is Writing Task 1 for the academic module. The title is provided here, and the essay is in the Answers section at the end of the book. Copy both of them separately. Next, select Academic for the module and Writing Task 1 on the essay checker. Then, paste the title and the essay into the provided fields. After a few seconds, the report card will be ready. Finally, you can download the report card and see the results.